Okay, in this problem here, we are starting off with this function on this graph called f of x, and we are asked to find x when f of x equals 0. So what we're looking in for is if we're looking for x, that means that we're trying to find what our input is, and what we're given is that our function equals 0. So that means that our output equals 0. So that means that our y values are going to equal 0 here. So in this case, what we're doing is we're kind of working backwards. We're starting with an output, and we need to figure out when our input would produce that output. So what I'm going to do then is, since my y values represent my output, I'm looking for where I have a y value of 0. So what I'm doing here is I'm kind of tracing, I'm going to make this nice and big, I'm kind of tracing along the y equals 0 line, and I'm looking at my function, and I'm looking for intersections. I see that my function has an output of 0 here and over here. So what that means then is there are two different inputs that would produce an output of 0. And let's see what those values are. So x is going to equal two things. It's going to equal -5, and x will also equal 0. For when x is equal to -5, I have an output of 0. And when x is equal to 0, I have an output of 0 on my function. Last thing I need to do here is, since this is a set of solutions, I'm going to put it in set notation, these nice little squiggly brackets, and I'm all set with that one.